What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the moving average crossover trading bot. Alright, an expert advisor you can download from the MQL5 website. The link is down in the description. It's free. You just download it to your MetaTrader 5. You can begin using it now. It's very simple. This is how it works. It uses two moving averages, a fast moving average, which I like to make white, and a slow moving average, which I like to make red or gold, okay? When the bot notices that the fast moving average crossed down over the slow moving average, the bot went short. So it crossed right here, and it wanted us to go short right here. So it goes with the next candle, which was right here, and we look to see did we get 5 pips, and we would have got 50 points. So this would have been a win. If we back it up a little bit so we can see where the other times it did it, we see it happen right there. So let's do this and blow it up some and see where it crossed up. So let's see. It crossed up on this one, so we would have got in on this bar. So we got right here and we needed to go long, so it went up. Did we get 50 points? Yes, we did. 50 points is 5 pips. This was a win also. So that's 2 wins back to back. So once you have downloaded the moving average crossover bot, it looks like this. You'll know you're on the right page, and you download it to your MetaTrader 5. You're going to want to open a new chart. Let's get a chart open here. We're going to choose the Great British USD. Let's open a new chart. Let's make it big. Let's go over here and find where the moving average crossover bot is. Alright, it's in experts and look in markets, and you'll see the moving average crossover, and you drag it over onto the chart, and your properties windows will open to get the values. Depending on your lot size, you would put whatever lot size you feel comfortable with. Right now I'm using a 0.05. And look at how simple this is, people. Take profit is 50. Stop loss is 10,000. All we need now is the slow moving average and the fast moving average. I'll give you a spoiler alert. I've done all the tests and I know that it's always simple. So nothing here is ever going to change again until you make enough money to where you can raise your lot size. These are the only 2 inputs that you will be changing, okay? Now, I know what they are. They're 66 and 56. Now, I know what numbers to put in the moving average crossover bot, because if you go to my spreadsheet and you see MA crossover, click that tab and you'll see the test that I've ran on the 5-minute, the 15-minute, the 30, and the hour, all right, for all of these different currencies. And the green is the one that right now this bot is active trading on my MetaTrader 5 on the 30-minute chart, using the slow average of 66 and a fast of 56. Simple. I should get 32 trades, $2.50 a trade, and I should have only a little small drawdown of 0.76%, which is $19.33. And I know that if I get into play, I could be in it from anywhere from 2 minutes to 19 hours, which is perfect. I love this. And if it goes against me, the full drawdown of 1930, then I know that it could fall 38 pips. So I'll be watching for that. That'll be a time for me to be able to average down. Now, and we're going to turn the bot off and we're going to say okay. And when you do, these 2 moving averages will show up on your chart. Now you know which one this is. This is the 56. Over it, it'll tell you the 56. And we know that's the fast moving average. So we're going to right click, open it up, go to parameters, and make it white, since it is the fast moving average. and we're going to make it fixed so we can see it, and we're going to say OK. Then we'll go to the other moving average and we'll right click it and properties. We're going to turn this one yellow and we'll make it thick, second from the bottom, and there you go. Now we'll make this candles. Let's change the color of our candles here real quick. We've got bar up, bar down, red, bull candle, lime green, bear candle, red, and that should be good enough. And there we have it. Now it is installed and it has the same parameters as what's in your bot. All right, like we have right here, 66 and 56. Well, when it was put onto the chart and made these moving averages for you, it's the same moving averages as in your bot. Lastly, we're going to be able to run tests with this bot. All right, the first thing you're going to want to do is run a single test, and then you're going to want to make sure that you've got the moving average crossover bot in the expert category right here. If you don't, then you just simply click that right there. You see markets. You open up markets and you'll see moving average crossover, double click it, and it'll stay up there in the expert category where you're testing this bot. Then you put in the symbol that we're testing, which is the Great British USD on a 30-minute chart. We're going to make sure that our time frame is January 1st to today. No for forward 50 MS, and modeling is every tick based on real ticks. And make sure you have the correct deposit for whatever your balance is, so you get a good solid report on how much money you can make. Now go to the inputs tab, and this is where you're going to set your lot sizes at 0.05 for me. Take profit of 50, stop loss of 10,000. Slow is 66, fast is 56. Simple and simple. And we're going to run the test. That's a nice looking graph right there. We see some drawdown right here, which actually means that we'll have opportunities to average down and make more money, so that's good. But our blue balance line is consistently moving up. That's what's important. And yes, this is a happy graph. Let's look at our numbers and pull up our chart so we can see it. We're going to get 33 trades at an average of $2.58 a trade, and if it goes against me, it could fall maximal drawdown $19.30, which is 0.7%, not even 1% drawdown. That's how accurate this bot is going to be. All right, so we know these are good settings. We just simply now come back down here, open up the charts. We can close out the green chart because we know that's a test chart, and this is the one we're working with. We're on the 30-minute, just like we're testing. We open the bot. We put in 66 and 56. Okay. And then we come here and we move and we check the parameters and make sure it says 56 for the fast. Okay. And for the slow, we want to make sure that it says 66, and it does. So you're good to go. Now you can watch whenever these moving averages cross. Now is when your bot will be buying. What's up, friends? It's Common Sense Investor. Look, if you're having problems getting your bot set up and working and making a profit for you, then you've come to the right place. Simply go to the link pinned in the comments to the class openings and see what time and day is open that you're available for. Send me an email and I will put you on the schedule. During the class, you will learn how to set up your charts, add Galileo FX or any other bot to your charts. I explain the watch list and why I use the currencies that I do, and I show you how to set yours up. I explain that it is imperative for you to choose the right lot size and how to do it so that your bot works effectively. I'll show you how to run an optimization test, which you will do once a week, and I will show you how to run a single test on that currency to ensure they stay accurate. In other words, when you walk away, you will know how Galileo FX bot works, and it can begin to make you profits, or any other bot that you choose. Moving average bots, MACD bots, they all work the same. Take the 1-hour class, get started today, and start making consistent profits.